Welcome to Autoland. Today we're imagining the future of a legend, the 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup truck. What if Dodge decided to bring back its classic old-school Ram truck with a modern twist? A combination of retro styling, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. Could this be the perfect blend of past and future? Let's dive into what this dream truck could offer and 4 key tips for potential buyers. The design of the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Edition would pay tribute to the classic boxy Rams from the 1970s and 1980s, but with modern refinements. Imagine a bold front grille, round LED headlights styled like halogens, and a muscular body with throwback badging. But here's the first tip. Retro looks, modern build. This truck may have vintage charm, but expect it to feature a lightweight aluminum frame, improved aerodynamics, and better fuel efficiency to compete with today's trucks. Under the hood, Dodge wouldn't disappoint. The 2025 vintage Ram could offer a 5.7L Hemi V8, a supercharged 6.2L Hellcat variant for performance lovers, and even a hybrid or electric option for those looking for classic style with future tech. But here's tip number 2. Old school power, new efficiency. Unlike the gas-guzzling classic Rams, expect fuel-saving tech, cylinder deactivation, and even an EV mode to make it more eco-friendly, while keeping that muscle truck feel. Inside, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage would blend retro design with cutting-edge features. Think classic bench seats with leather and plaid options, analog-style digital gauges, and an infotainment screen with hidden toggle switches. It would also pack modern safety features, wireless connectivity, and AI-powered driver assistance. But here's tip number 3. Tech meets tradition. While it would look vintage, expect all the luxuries of a modern truck, including autonomous driving, over-the-air updates, and premium audio. If Dodge really built this truck, it would likely be a limited production collector's edition, making it highly desirable. That brings us to tip number 4. Classic appeal, high resale value. A truck like this would hold its value and could even become a future classic, just like the original Dodge Rams from decades ago. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Dodge Ram vintage pickup truck on Autoland. Would you buy this retro modern beast, or do you prefer the originals? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive concepts, reviews, and classic truck insights only on Autoland.